Second agenda na to. Uy, Natalia! Wait!
Alia,
Careful.
ba't pag si Papa naiiwan, nakamiti ka lang?
Careful ha.
Pag si Wow, so windy. Ay, mama.
Hi! Hello everyone! So ngayon we're going to the Yongping 360. Second agenda because the first agenda is to eat. So it's Natalia's first time here to ride the cable car. Yeah, Crystal Cabin, Great One and Pass. Talia! Ikaw magsulat kay Natalia.
You have to wear this. Oh, you have to wear this. Come on.
Me too, please. Tita Nice.
We're gonna ride the Crystal Cabin car. And we're gonna see all of Hong Kong. Are you excited for that? Yeah. Yes. Like this. Two thumbs up.
What do you feel right now?
Enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic. Hey,
Hey.
what do you do for a living? What do you feel right now?
I feel great. It's a mix of emotions, very high, very low.
Great year, pamilya mo sa Pilipinas.
Mama ko.
I'm so sleepy.
How
How about you, Natalia?
Can you
How do
say?
feel right now? I feel great. Walang aw sa pao.
Great.
Together, kids.
Yeah. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's do it now. Oh, you sit with Tita Zai. You sit with Tita Zai.
Look at the ground. Look at the ground. Oo nga ba tayo?
Uy, ang bilis.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up, Babu.
Mabilis! Tingnan mo.
Takot yun.
Pati yung paa.
Oh my gosh.
Look, Natalia.
Ano lang?
So amazing.
Gusto
mo nga. Ano ba? Ang
Happy
bilis.
place.
What do you see?
Tapos nang yung mabilis eh.
Ha?
Ganda. Ay, ganda. Picture
Ay, baba,
nga
yun,
tayo.
pababa.
Picture
Pababa.
Wala naman.
Baby! Huwag kang
Ganda.
tingin sa baba. Look up lang. Look up.
Ay, ang grabe yung baba.
Tutok siya na tutok.
The water is so good.
The water is so good, right?
Let's jump.
That
So
tastes
clean
good.
daw.
Hindi, may ano ko eh.
Picture tayo.
Ayan.
Ah.
Hi,
Wave!
Happy birthday, Natalia.
Yung pa. Yung pa. You do like this.
Paa.
Baka tumalsik yung chanelas mo kay Tita Zay.
Bye.
Better sa planet.
Kaway kayo sa kanila.
Yay!
Yan, kaway niya.
The water is so sleepy.
Sleepy?
Hello.
Gosh, baligas.
Taas na na ito. Walang ganun.
Eh, sabi niya. Sabi, sabi niya. What do you see?
Trees and water and rock.
And rocks.
Bye. Where are we now?
Two
Cable car.
cable car.
Look at the view.
Galing mo yung taas.
What's the river?
Basta wag mo lang ako iyan.
Where's the river?
Here.
Do you want to stand there?
You understand?
No.
You can sit there if you want. You can.
What do you see?
Video kita.
Ah!
I will find the river.
pala, may bata. Ano ba yun? Parang nag-iyak na si Gerald sa likod nila.
Uy, ba't ganyan
What do you
itsura ko?
see?
Hindi mo nga sinasabi, hindi niya nga.
Tree.
Tree.
Wow, that's so great.
What's that movie?
Saan? Where?
What's that movie?
Kanina ba laksan mo?
I think it's bird.
kasi gumaganon.
Hmm?
So windy.
Kita pala to kanina sana no, sa window.
Kita mo.
Dalawa lang
Paano
sila.
natin makikita sa window? Nag-trip-trip na yung turbulence.
Is that the stairs? Oh, there's a secret stairs. stairs. Secret
Oh.
stairs.
Oo nga, no, may stairs.
Saan?
Ayun, ang tail.
Ayun, oh.
Ayun o. Ah, nag-hiking dito. Grabe naman
Ay,
yan.
ito.
Nung pagdating mo doon sa taas,
Hiking trail.
yung tuhod mo, kalas na.
Tignan mo, walang lakas.
Ako rin, solo ako, nice.
Oh, sige, dito kayo.
Nangyari
Dito.
ang conquered my fear.
Pawis na yung kulot mo.
Uy!
Hindi, mas maganda
Uy, hindi tayo bumapantay.
Oo nga.
ganyan, no?
Oh, Jay, tsaka na.
Uy!
Oh my God!
Relax lang kayo.
Kakasabi ko na hindi bumapantay.
Ganda.
Yeah.
Ay, wow.
Stolen.
Ay, gano'n.
Yan. Solid.
Nuni. Ang ganda ng buhok mo. Ayun si Nuni. Magulo na.
Kasi yung phone ko. Halita.
Paano yung tsura doon ng happy sabi ni Tita Sai?
Look here.
Walang sound.
Kiri-kiri. Happy.
Walang sound.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Tanggalin mo kasi yung gimbal niya.
Dapat din tayo bibili rin kami ng ganyan. Para
Pero hindi siya hindi siya
hindi nga siya.
waterproof.
Pang vlog lang
Yung bago-
talaga.